Breaking news just coming in. The Election Commission has sought a report on Yogi Adityanath's Modi Sena comment. The Election Commission has directed Ghaziabad officials to submit a report by today after the opposition demanded that the poll panel intervene and act against Yogi Adityanath for his controversial comments in a poll rally in Ghaziabad.
कांग्रेस के लोग आतंकवादियों को बिरयानी खिलाते थे और मोदी जी की सेना आतंकवादियों को गोली और गोला देती है। यही अंतर है। कांग्रेस के लोग अजहर मसूद जैसे आतंकवादियों के साथ जी लगा करके आतंकवाद को प्रोत्साहित करती है, तो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में आज आतंकवाद को, उनके ठिकानों को नष्ट और ध्वस्त करके आतंकवाद की ही नहीं, पाकिस्तान की कमर को तोड़ने का कार्य भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार कर रही है। यही अंतर है।
Milan Sharma now joins me live for further inputs on this story. Milan, it is the election season. We will see rabble-rousing of this kind. However, the opposition's main argument is Yogi Adityanath has gone ahead and insulted the armed forces with that comment of calling the armed forces Modi ki Sena.
Well, that's right, Griha, and which is why the Election Commission has taken cognizance of several media reports where in a rally in Ghaziabad, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said Modi ki Sena, and this particular comment has not gone down well with the opposition either, with leaders from the CPI who've also complained that the armed forces belong to the Indian government. They do not belong to a particular political party, in this case Narendra Modi being the chief of BJP. But here we are looking at another such media report that has been taken into cognizance by the Election Commission. Griha, we also know from the sources in the Election Commission that they have sought a report, and the district magistrate from Ghaziabad has been told to take out a particular recording and transcript of the entire speech given in the election rally, and a report to that effect is being sought by the EC, which will be coming into fore by afternoon today.
All right, Milan, thank you so much for your inputs on this story.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.